how can you fix the iPhone boot loop? So let me show you some ways we could make it work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely become part of our community so you don't miss anything important. Okay, so if your iPhone is stuck on, booting up and the loop right there, what you could do is to perform a force restart, which means that you would use the physical buttons on the side of the iPhone to perform a sequence, which in reality it would look like this, that you would press the volume up, volume down, and then you would hold down on the power button on the other side until the Apple logo appears. Then you can release your finger and it will boot it up normally, hopefully, right? So it might happen that the software kind of doesn't know what to do, so you trigger a different sequence using this button presses and it should potentially start normally. But if it doesn't really work that way, it might actually happen that you need to do a little bit more. In this case, it would make sense to connect the iPhone to your computer through your cable. So if you have a Mac, you can find the iPhone inside of the Finder app. On Windows, you have to have a dedicated iTunes application. But the point is that if it doesn't get recognized on the computer, you have to perform this sequence again. So you would press the volume up, volume down, and hold down on the power button. The difference now would be that you would not really release the finger, but you would still keep on holding the button even though the Apple logo shows up, and this could trigger the recovery mode, which then lets you control the iPhone from your computer and essentially restore it or update to the next iOS and potentially make it work again. So this was just a quick guide. I hope I was able to explain the steps that you can take. Let me know if you managed to fix it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well.